Playing GTA Liberty City Stories and need to manage your save files? This is a save game file from Grand Theft Auto Liberty City Stories. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these saves. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering LCS files with corrupted internal metadata. This file stores a player's game progress in Grand Theft Auto, Liberty City Stories. Users search for LCS files to back up their progress, share save games with others, or download pre-completed saves to unlock specific missions or items without playing through the entire game themselves. The LCS file is a binary data structure that serializes the game state, including player position, mission status, inventory, and world variables. This compact proprietary format is designed for fast loading by the game engine and to discourage casual tampering with game progress data. The initial software setup links the LCS file directly to Grand Theft Auto, Liberty City Stories by Rockstar Games. Windows only supports view-only mode, necessitating dedicated editing software for changes. Windows offers minimal insight, so reading or editing these files requires engine-aware tools. We'll begin by checking potential openers. Right-click the LCS file and click Open With. If Grand Theft Auto, Liberty City Stories is present, use that first. If it's missing, select another program. A quick test will reveal the right app. When your LCS file does not open, it is usually a small issue. This LCS format requires a precision approach. The error isn't random. Let's go through this quick checklist to ensure every necessary component is verified. First, locating the save files. On PSP, find LCS files in the memory stick under PSP Save Data in the corresponding game folder. PS2 saves reside on the PS2 memory card accessible through the PS2 system menu or via memory card management tools on a connected computer. Next, backing up saves. Copy LCS files from the memory stick or memory card to a computer or external storage as backup. Use a USB cable for PSP transfers or a memory card adapter for PS2 saves to preserve progress against accidental loss or hardware failure. Finally, editing save data. Use save game editors specifically designed for GTA Liberty City Stories to modify in-game variables such as money weapons, completion flags, and vehicle inventory. Always back up the original save before editing, as malformed data can corrupt the save and prevent game loading. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.